Now we will solve it further. So value of root 2 is 1.414. Okay, so 1.414 into 2 is approximately 2.8, and 2.8 plus 1 is 3.8. 3.8. Okay, so 3.8 into 18 is comes out to be 69 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Newton. Okay, note that this is the approximate answer. The exact answer will be little bit less or more, but this is the approximate answer. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, so now we have already found out this is the resultant force acting on this one charge. In the beginning I told you, yes, in the beginning of the question, first of all they have asked us that we have to find the force acting on all the charges. So if I have found the force that is acting on this charge, that is 6.69 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So the force acting on rest of the charges will be also same, because all were of the same magnitude. So the force that is acting on all of them will be same, because all are of the value same. All of the charges had the same value, that is how much? 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 coulomb. Okay, so all the charges had the same value, so the force experienced by all the charges will also be the same. So 69 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 Newton is the correct answer. Okay, now let's go forward. I will rub this. Now we will do question number 3 part 2. We will do question number 3 part 2. Okay, first of all I will read the question. A charge plus q exerts a force of magnitude minus 0.2 Newton on another charge minus 2q. If they are separated by 25 centimeter, determine the value of q. Okay, so this is the question. I will show you in the diagram.
Number 2.
Yes, this is question number 3, and the part that we are doing is part number 2. Okay, so in the question what is given to us is that there is a charge of plus q here. There is a charge of plus q here. Okay, and there is a charge of minus 2q here. Okay, and what is given to us is that the distance between these two charges is how much? 25 centimeter. The distance is 25 centimeter. Okay, and the charge plus q exerts a magnitude of minus 0.2 on the minus 2q charge. Okay, so what they are talking about here is the plus q charge exerts a force of minus 2 Newton on another charge minus 2q. Okay, so I will explain what is happening here. First of all, what is happening here is that this charge q, it will try to get attracted to this. Will try to get attracted because they are what type of charges? They are unlike charges, and in unlike charges I already told you what happens in unlike charges. There will be a force of attraction, and you know the distance between the two charges. Okay, and also you know the value of force. The force, that attraction force they are experiencing is minus 0.2 Newton. The force of attraction is minus 0.2 Newton. As you can see, it's given in the question. What they have asked us in the question is find the value of q. Find the value of q. Okay, so you know the Coulomb law. It's quite simple question. F is equal to k q1 q2 upon r square. You all know that. Okay, what is the value of f? You already know. F is minus 0.2. Okay, k is how much? It is a constant. 9 into 10 raised to the power 9. q1 q2 you don't know. q1 is plus q. Okay, so I will write q here, and q2 is how much? Minus 2q. And r is the distance between the two charges, and that is how much? 25 centimeter, and you will convert that into meter. Okay, So 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 whole square. I hope that is clear to you all. Okay, given values are F is minus 0.2 Newton, R is equal to 25 centimeter, okay, Q1 is equal to plus Q, Q2 is equal to, these are all the given values I have written for your sake of convenience. Okay, now we will try and solve this question further. Okay, so what is 25 square? First of all I will minus 0.2, so minus 0.2 you can write minus 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 into 625 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Okay, what I have done is I have taken this over this side. Okay, and this is the equation that I get. So what you can cancel something here. Minus 2 and minus 2 you can cancel. Okay, and then you can bring this 9 over here. So it will be 625 up into 10 raised to the power minus 5, 10 raised to the power minus 5, right, upon 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 is equal to Q square. Am I right? Okay, so we will write this as 625 upon 9 into how much? 10 raised to the power minus 4 square root is equal to Q. I hope that is clear. Okay, sorry, one mistake I made. This is minus 5. Okay, minus 5 minus 9 will be minus 14, not minus 4, minus 14. Okay, so draw this 10 raised to the power minus 14. So we are taking out the square root. Okay, so it will be 25 by 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 is equal to Q. So Q comes out to be approximately 8.3 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 coulomb. So this is the value of Q. Okay, this is the value of Q. This is the value of Q. Okay, so I forgot to write here square. Okay, so this was the part 2 of question number 3. Let's go ahead, shall we? So now we will do the first part we will do. First part is, I will read the question for you first. Two small spheres 18 cm apart have equal negative charges and repel each other with a force of 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 Newton. Find the total charge on both the spheres. Find the total charge on both the spheres. Okay. So what they are talking about is there are two spheres. Okay. Both the spheres repel each other, because they have given that they have equal charges. Okay, they have equal negative charge. So negative will repel negative. You all know that. Okay, they will repel each other, and there is a separation of how much? 18 centimeter between both of them, and both of them are repelling each other. Okay, and the value of the force is given. Value of the force is 6 into, this is the value of the force. Okay, so what I have to find is the value of this will have some charge Q. and this will have some charge q. Okay, since both of them are repelling each other, but we don't know the value of the charges yet. We don't know the value of the charges. We have to find the value of this charge. So the given things are r is equal to 18 centimeter, F is equal to 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 Newton, Q1 is equal to Q, Q2 is equal to. Okay, these are the values that are given to us. We have to find this value of Q. Okay, so you know the formula. F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. F is how much? 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. K is how much? 9 into 10 raised to the power 9. Q1 is Q and Q2 is Q. And R is how much? 18. But we will take it in meters. So 18 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay, so this is the equation. So what we have to find out from this equation? We have to find out the value of Q. So we will find the value of Q. So I will rub this. So I will simplify this. 6 into 18 square is how much? 18 into 18 is 324 minus 4. Okay, is equal to 'Okay, so this is the simplified form of the equation. Okay, now let us see if something we can cancel from this or not. Okay, so let us see. This, they are both the multiples of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, now